Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to create Google account on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you, if you want to create another Google account for any business, don't need to be worried guys, because you can create your own Google account and then you can link into your cell phone. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, now let's do the tutorial. Alright, the first go to settings menu and then scroll down, and then now you can go to additional settings and then scroll down again and go to accounts and sync, click add account and click Google. And then after that, now you can create for your personal use, and then you can enter your first name and last name. And then after that, now you can enter your basic information like a birth date. And then if you're finished, you can go to next and choose your Google account. And then now you can create a strong password. And then after that, now you can review your account info. And the last, you have to agree all of privacy and term. And then so yeah, here's your new Google account. Alright guys, so yeah, it is your right, and then here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.